हेलो दोस्तों, आज पांडे कोचिंग क्लासेस में फाइनल ईयर के बच्चों के लिए कैरियर काउंसलिंग प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया गया था, जिसके लिए गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स थे नीरज सर, अमित सर एंड सनी सर, जिन्होंने अपना बेशकीमती समय कोचिंग को दिया और बच्चों को काफ़ी सारी कैरियर काउंसलिंग रिलेटेड टिप्स दी और इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की। थैंक यू सर, पूरे बच्चों की तरफ से और पांडे कोचिंग क्लासेस की तरफ से, एंड स्पेशली थैंक्स टू नीरज सिंह राठौड़ सर। थैंक यू सर।
Understand the word psychology. What is psychology, by the way? What is psychology? क्या है psychology? English word है, right? क्या मतलब क्या है psychology?
To read human beings.
Sorry?
To read human beings.
To read human beings. Okay, that's not psychology as such. Psychology is basically to understand better, right? So psychology of person, right? Read है, but to understand people better. That's what it is. Good. कितने लोग आ रहे हैं? पानी? How many people expected?
सर आ रहे हैं।
So we going to talk perfect, right? So we'll start off, and at the end we'll do a meditation. चलेगा? Right? We'll do a meditation with a psychology meditation which will help you understand and program it. The idea is, unexpected. Alright, good. So the idea is, as I said, we are going to talk about psychology of success. Right? After working with different companies, what I figured out कि करना क्या है? Right? So it's basically more of life and industry and something which you have questions we going to talk about. The most important thing is, कहते हैं ना, what you hear will not get you there. क्या बोला मैं? What you hear, तो आप लिखूं करके यहाँ पे तो आ गए या खत्म कर दिया. But what you hear will not get you there. It's a beautiful book also. तो पढ़ोगे तो समझोगे कि और क्या चाहिए. And the most important thing, in order to win, is not your skill. Again, in order to win, it's not your skill, it's your will. Right? Will मतलब क्या? Right? ये होना चाहिए. दर्द नहीं रहा ना, तो कुछ होता नहीं है. You know, things don't work if there is no pain in life. Right? कुछ भी करो, बटरफ्लाई को देखा किसी ने बटरफ्लाई, उसके पहले ककून होता है. Right? You know, ककून को बटरफ्लाई बनने में कितनी problems में face करनी पड़ती है. It has to go through a metamorphosis. Right? And that if you try to say नहीं बहुत मुश्किल में निकल रहा है, if you try to spread that और उसको आसान कर दोगे, it will not be able to fly. Because what it is, it pushes that liquid to the feathers and then it flies, right? And it goes to the pain. So pain is important. Failure is important in life. हम क्या करते हैं उसको negative connotation कर देते हैं. Failure हो रहा है, failure नहीं होना चाहिए. It's a failure is important. Failure is very important in that thing, and which is good. कि I want to get into PO. PO level के बाद जाके what are you going to do?
But after that, after stability, I would like to start a business.
After stability, what will start a business? But basically बहुत बार अगर मैं पूछूं कि करना क्या है, तो एक अच्छा सा job चाहिए. Having a handsome salary. Yes or no? Yes. Right? That's what everybody has. But people have to create. You need to have something which is a smart goal. क्या कहते हैं उसको? So it has to be achievable. Right? R is बोलो ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अरे यार नो it's not like अरे people will like if the people will laugh you will remember that for a lifetime. Responsible, realistic. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Realistic, right? And T is time bound, right? So you need to create a smart goal. So आज की तरह अगर कर रहे हो ना, you need to be very specific. You cannot be generic. You need to be specific in terms of your approach. राइट एक अच्छी सी नौकरी भाई किधर कौन सी कंपनी में एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू सर पता नहीं अरे यू नीड टू काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव लिंक्डइन अकाउंट्स हियर 1 2 3 व्हेन इज द लास्ट टाइम यू पोस्टेड अ लिंक्डइन नेवर नो प्रॉब्लम है कम ऑन गाइस राइट हां थैंक यू लवली नाइस This is another session, right? I said, कर क्या रहे सर? ये तो सर ने पढ़ने से बोला था बैठाएंगे तो होमवर्क करा रहे हैं. Good. Yeah, thank you. Atamaji, certainly. So the idea was in class 8, typical, you know, when I was doing a बोला ना competence. Competency. हाँ, good. No, another thing. और एक बताओ. Communication. Yes. What else? और क्या? Clarity. Clarity is important, very important. To have the clarity, right? To know where you're going. जाना किधर है? Point हो जाता है हमको पता ही नहीं जाना किधर है. Keep it open. अरे कोई तो जॉब मिले, कोई तो अच्छा पेमेंट करे. You need to work on your passion. What are you good at? Come on, put your others up. कहाँ हो? कहाँ जाना है? कैसे जाओगे? Right? Life is simple. What did I say? Hey, do that. You know, I want. You know why? क्यों move कर रहा हूँ? बचपन में twinkle little star सुना था? Right? कैसी है? Twinkle little star. Twinkle, right? You move your hand. And that is what makes you remember. इसीलिए मैं तुमको पीछे पढ़ाऊंगी. हाथ उठा, हाथ उठाओगे तो आत्मावादी सटके किसी दिन सटकेगा. किसी दिन सटकेगा कि क्या हो क्या रहा है? बीकॉम तो हो गया, but पेरेंट्स को प्राउड करना है. How many people wants a parents to be proud? Come on, everybody wants that, right? करना है कुछ. जिंदगी ऐसे नहीं चलेगी. Makes sense? तो कहाँ हो, कहाँ जाना है, कैसे जाओगे? Life is simple, right? हम बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं. यार मेरे को एक जॉब चाहिए, 12 लाख होना चाहिए. कौन सी कंपनी बन रहा है? ऐसा यूनिवर्सिटी में ना गुड करवा रहा हूँ. I know you're good become career, but my idea is the more you save, if it's the head, it's dead. What did I say? If it's the head, it's dead. If you write it down, it's going to be here. It's going to be in your system. You know, there's something called conscious mind, subconscious mind. I'm going to drive everything in your subconscious mind so that it stays with you. कम से कम 3-4 महीने तक लगेगा कुछ तो सेशन हुआ है, कुछ तो सीखे, right? So E plus R. अभी मजा नहीं. फिर से ट्राई करते हैं. फिर से एक बार फिर से. Come on, let's try it again. Right? So you review it, and then you. Nice. Close your eyes. Super. Close your eyes. आंखें बंद करो. हिंदी में. Good. Now, feel somebody in front of you who has actually hurt you. Yeah. Look into the person. Somebody, you know, if you have nobody, then it's okay. Then look into yourself. Why? Because the first person that you need, the person has to go away from your life, right? So close your eyes, look into the person, and let the person go away from your life, right? And then leave this hand slowly, right? See that person turning around and going from your life, right? Just NSR. That's the best part of it. I keep posting lovely stuff which you'll learn, right? So most important thing is figure out because it's not important, you know, it's also like a very journey, you know, that destination, you know, I get a job, I'll be the happiest. Come on, yes or no? Yes. Right? I get a house, I'll be the happiest. I'll get एक belief system है कि हमको 6 लाख मिलना. एक belief system है जो मेरे को बड़ा सा business बनाना. It's all about belief, right? And that belief is what takes challenges that come to you, right? Those challenges that come to you, that is a gift. What did I say? That is a gift. So अगर difficult boss आ जाए, जैसे हम लोग कभी कोई बात करते हैं, कोई difficult boss आ जाए, तो boss एकदम problem में डाल रहा है. Thank you. कोई relationship में हो, I know you guys are kids, maybe already some people may be there, but if somebody is coming to you and is creating a problem.